Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 2, PE and Health 8, Lesson 5, Week 7 and 8 of Deped Matatag curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 2, Table Tennis. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity, let's get thinking. Task number 1. Questions. Task number 2. Video number 1,
how to play table
how to
tennis
play
or
ping pong
They're
or
both played on
table
the same type of
tennis.
table and are very similar. A game is played to 11 points, but the winning player must win by 2. And competitions are usually the best of 5 games, so whichever player wins 3 games first wins the competition. Each player serves for 2 points at a time, and then the serve alternates to the other player. Unlike volleyball, it doesn't matter who.
Questions. Similarities between table tennis and sepak takraw. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Learn about table tennis. What is table tennis? What skills does it develop? Safety reminders when playing table tennis. Table tennis court dimensions. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, table tennis warm-up exercises. Follow these steps. Number 1, breathing exercise. Number 2, neck bending. Number 3. Shoulder rotation. Number 4. Arm circling. Number 5. Hip bending. Number 6. Half knee bend. Number 7. Foot rotation. Number 8. Inhale, exhale, cool down. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity: table tennis. Instructions. Number 1. Start the game. Number 2. Serving the ball. Number 3. Returning the ball. Number 4. Understanding serving rules, singles versus doubles. Number 5. Objective of the game. Number 6. Know more about losing a point. Number 7. Understanding doubles play. Number 8. Learn about scoring system. Number 9. Know the principle of winning the match. For discussion, answer the question. Making generalizations, learner's takeaways. Activity: exit ticket. 3, 2, 1 reflection. Instructions. Questions. Making generalizations, reflection on learning. Self-assessment, rate your performance. Instructions. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Activity, formative assessment. Part 1, True or False? Part 2, Create your own mini-game. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.